See, the reports that are done in what? That are done with QuickBooks. You get, yeah? Let's see the reports. How are the reports done in QuickBooks? Now I have opened our QuickBooks. Previously, we talked about how we can create accounts, how to enter, create receipts, enter bills, purchase orders. I hope that one you know it, not so?
Yes.
You know how to pay the bills. Okay, today let us talk about how to generate different reports. Yeah? So any kind of report is under here. Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen?
No.
You don't see QuickBooks shared?
Not really.
I think I can see that I have shared the screen, and here it shows that it is being shared. Why do you see on the screen?
Nothing. I had opened QuickBooks, but it was
No,
mine.
I'm on the portal. You will go where where you use to enter into a class. Go to Google Meet.
Oh.
Okay. So when you're having or when you're creating reports, we use this tab for reports. This is the tab we use. So under this way, we have what we call report center. Are you seeing this report center?
Yes.
This report center is used to generate formats. You get? It gives you different formats, whereby you are able to customize the template. You get? I can say let me use this. Then it gives you a template. Like it gives a template, then you can be able to receive a customized report. You get my point? I can say that I want to see a contractor report. So the people that you have made contracts with, you come here. Then you are able to view a format you want. Then when you click that format, it will give you definitely the vendors, and then you open various contracts you have. Are we together?
Yes.
You can track a sales here. You are able to change the report. You can say let me use a graph, a sales graph. You are getting now. This one, it gives you from January up to June. Then it's able to give you how you have performed. Are we together?
Yes.
Now you can see these are different services, how different service has performed. Are we together? Then from there we have what we call memorized reports. Then that is by accountant. You can have what you call adjusted trial balance. You can pick it from there. When I say trial balance, what do we mean by trial balance?
Trial balance. It shows all the ledgers.
You are saying I'm saying adjusted trial balance, huh?
I just saw trial balance. See, I'm all about to go on the ledgers.
Now I want to get your answer.
I understand it as it shows the ledgers.
Okay. And adjusted trial balance in QuickBooks means the report showing all your accounts after all necessary accounting adjustments have been made. You get? So this one, so that this one it gives you, like, you are able to know all it gives the allowance the whereby debt and credit totals are equal. And basically this is basically used before preparing a final financial status. For example, we can have a cash of 100. We can have a cash of, let me say, 100,000, and then sales is 200,000. Then the total expense is 500, and owner capital is 500. So this one gives you total debt and total credit. So after adjustment, it gives you cash, rental, like it's like a like it balances. You get? Trial balance is just a list of accounts before corrections. That's trial balance, means list of accounts before corrections. You get? And adjusted trial balance is corrected lists after adding things like unpaid expenses, assured income, depreciations, inventory adjustments, error created. So this one basically, an adjusted trial balance, basically it helps us to generate profits and loss report. That is income minus expense. You get? Yeah. So basically this, and then it also helps in to generate balance sheet, to gives you to show you assets, liabilities, and equity. And basically to get that trial balance in QuickBooks, you come to reports, as I told you. You come to reports, then you go to what? You can come here, and then you go to account, or you can come just you can come to accountant and taxes. So basically you can come to memorize the reports, and then you can come to accounts, and then you get adjusted trial balance. You can get balance sheet and so many others. Are we together?
Very slow.
Which is slow? Internet?
No, like.
No, like I'm trying to explain.
Yeah.
I'm trying to explain. I'm saying, because I asked you what is adjusted trial, that is adjusted trial balance. Not so? Not so?
Yes.
So I was trying to show you that. Are we together? So what is adjusted trial balance?
It shows the total debits.
That's not a clear description. When I say description, adjusted trial balance report is an accounting report that shows all account balances after. That shows all your account balances after corrections and adjustments has been made. When you make correction and adjustments before preparing a financial statement, and then that report you generate is what we call adjusted trial balance. Are we together now?
Yes.
Should I continue?
Yes.
I continue.
Yes.
Let's go to another report. We have what we call, like, you want to define, like if you are in a business, you want to define profits and losses. You want to know profits and losses. You go to profit, you go to company and finance, then you are able to do what? I want profit and loss report. How do I do it? How do I get it?
Profit and loss report.
So a profit and, okay, let me first explain that report. A profit and loss report, you get in QuickBooks, is the report that shows whether your business has made a profit or loss during a specific period of time. You get? So how do we get that report? We shall go to company and we shall go to reports. Then we go to company and financial, you can see. Then you come to profit and loss. When I click profit and loss detail, meaning I'm going to get a detailed report. If I click standard, then I will get a standard report. So I will come here and then I choose a date. I can say I need from, let me say from May. You get? I will say, let me say February 1st, March 1st. Then I will come, I just click in anywhere. Then it will give me a report how things have been moving. You get my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So QuickBooks is so useful in generating professional reports, and it gives you an impact for you to provide a profitable and sustainable report. You get, yeah? So basically here we find the report. Have you ever tried any report?
Yeah. Report here. Vendors and sales.
Vendors and sales. What do you mean by vendor? Vendors and payables or vendors and sales?
No, ngamba reports twakoze koko. Yeah, vendors. Yeah, sales. Even the vendors and their payment.
So if I want to know the progress, how the things has moved, like you got this coin, you banked it here, then you had which report will I follow? The progress, track the progress.
If you do what?
I want to track the progress. How would the cash flow? I want to track the cash flow in that particular day. Which report will I need? If I want to, like, when I say cash flow, you understand, yeah? The report that shows the movement of funds within your business in that particular period of time. You get?
Yes.
So I will go to reports, then I go to company and finance. Are you seeing here?
Yes.
Then I will go to statement of cash flow.
Yeah.
It has to be here, statement of cash flow. Are you seeing it? When I click a statement of cash flow, it will give me like here from January up to June. Are you seeing? Then you say net income, it is negative 1 point, meaning it is negative. I can click there and then it gives me how money came in and how money moved out. Are you seeing? And then you get to know why you are negative. That on such and such day, I did this and this. On such and such a day, I paid you this. You get?
Yes.
I can come and say, travel. How was travel made? Then you see how it came that Secretary Kampala made this, Secretary Kireka made this. You get it? Then I say utilities. Then you are able to track utilities. That is cash flow. You get my point?
Mm.
That is cash flow. Under this, it shows cash coming in sales received, customer payments. It will show you cash going out, that's expenses and payments. And then it will give you net increase or decrease in cash. You get?
Mm.
So basically this one gives you how money has been moving. But under this, the best report will be, you go to reports, to best way to determine cash flows. Yeah.
Mm.
You go to reports, you go to banking. Are you seeing anywhere banking? Have you seen banking? Then I go to previous reconciliation. Do you call it reconciliation? Then you are able to, you click this, then you choose an account. Yeah, you get, then you are able to display. Are we together?
Mm.
Do you have any question concerning reports? Because you have many kinds of reports. So which
I
report?
usually ask
When you practice, but you need to
Yeah.
know that I wish to know this, how this report works. Because at that time we talked about sales reports, and then I know by now you know how to how does a graph sales report looks like. Pending sales report. Pending sales, those are the pending sales. Yeah. You get? So ask any question you want. Inventory, here you determine, you can evaluate an inventory. You get here. So always try out different reports. Yeah. Try out different reports, and then give me feedback accordingly. You get?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any question? Because today I wanted us to talk about reports only. Because when you have so many sectors, then you have what you call, you can customize your report and sort transaction detail. Then you select a period. You can say today. You get? Then you open up. Now transaction detail. For it gives you how money came in. Kampala Center and deposited is here. So for it shows how money flowed in that particular day. You get my point?
Yes.
So I want you to view different reports, and then you develop questions, and then you press them on my WhatsApp.
Okay.
Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
So you have any question?
So far, no